This video will demonstrate the use of special tool, fuel filter locking tool. This tool is used to dismantle and assemble the diesel fuel filter assembly while replacing its filter element. It has two parts, lower part and upper part. Using fuel filter locking tool. Before dismantling the fuel filter assembly, remove it from the vehicle. Place the fuel filter assembly in the lower part of the special tool. Align the filter properly and ensure that it properly sits in the recess. Mount the special tool on the bench vise. Now install the upper part of the special tool on the fuel filter assembly. Loosen the fuel filter assembly using suitable tool. Remove the ring holding upper and lower part of the filter assembly. Remove the upper part of fuel filter along with the filter element. Replace the old filter element with a new filter element along with the O-ring. Match the arrow marks of the filter element with the arrow marks given on the fuel filter. Mount the fuel filter lower part on the lower part of special tool mounted on the bench vise. Tighten the fuel filter assembly to the specified torque with a torque wrench. The specified torque is also mentioned on the cover. Advantages and benefits. This tool is specially made to securely dismantle and assemble filter assembly and gives perfect grip. This prevents slippage of tools and damage to filter assembly. It results in quick replacement of filter element, saving time to complete the job. It also helps to tighten the assembly at specified torque, preventing leakage of fuel.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.